acoustic version of Say Something by Royal Otis starts off with this F over C chord. And we've got the third finger on the third fret of the A, pinky finger on the third fret of the D, and the second finger on the second fret of the G, and the first finger on the first fret of the B string. And we actually want to start with the second finger off, and when we strum down on the chord, hammer on to the second fret there on the G string. So open to second on the G. Then we'll strum down, up. So hammer on, down, up, finger off, hammer on, down, up, same thing twice, and then we've got another hammer on, down, up. So hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down, up. One more time slowly, hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down, up. Then we move to a standard C chord. And we've got exactly the same thing here. So we take the second fret off the D string and hammer onto the second fret. So we've got the C, third fret on the A, second fret on the D, first fret on the B, taking the finger off, second finger, hammering onto the second fret on the D, down, up, hammer on again, down, up, hammer on, down. So those first two chords, the F, and to the C, go to an A minor chord, second fret on the D, second fret on the G, first fret on the B string, and this time we're going to take the third finger off the G string and hammer onto the second fret, exactly the same rhythm. So hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down. Then to an E minor chord, second fret on the A, second fret on the D string, and we're going to hammer on with the third finger coming off here. So we'll have the open D string, hammer on to second, down, up, hammer on, down, up, hammer on, down. And the whole progression slowly is F over C. Go into the C chord, hammer on. A minor, hammer on the G string. E minor, hammer on the D string. And more up to speed, we have that F over C, C, A minor, E minor. The chords for the chorus are exactly the same as the verse, the F over C, the C, the A minor and E minor, but we do change the rhythm with the strumming. We're going to strum down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. One more time slowly, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's also going to be an accent on the 1, the 2 and the 4. So 1, down, up, accent, up, accent, accent, up, accent, up, accent. And we play exactly the same rhythm for the C and the A minor and the E minor chord. So you have the F over C, accent, up, accent, up, accent, C. To speed. Part in the song where we play the same chords but they are played in a higher voicing. So the F is the same, and when we go up to the C chord we keep this shape as we've already played for the C, F over C, and just move it up here to 10, 10, 9 and 8. This is a C over G chord, And we've got the same rhythm again, down, up, down, up, down, down. Then we're going to move down to an A minor chord here. We've got 7, 7 and 5, third finger, pinky finger, first finger, same rhythm again. And then for the E minor chord, we go to like an E minor bar chord here. We've got a first finger bar across the 7th fret, third finger 9th fret at the D, and the pinky finger 9th fret at the G string, second finger on the 8th fret at the B. We're also going to hear that low E note open as well, and again the rhythm's the same. Okay, so F over C. Up here to that C over G. Down to our A minor chord. And back up to that E minor chord.